Ever tried making AI videos only to hit try again later or run out of credits? Today, I'm showing you the one tool I personally use for all my channels, Quen 3.6 Plus. I've been creating YouTube videos for 8 years, grown multiple channels, and made thousands of dollars online. But honestly, 90% of free AI tools either ask for payment after a few clicks, slap on watermarks, or limit your generations. Quen 3.6 Plus is different. It's open source, completely free, and has 0 daily limits. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use it like a pro. Stick around. I'm also sharing a prompt formula that doubles your output quality. First, open Chrome and search for Quen 3.6 Plus. Go to the official website. Top right corner, click Login. Sign in with your Google account. Takes 10 seconds. Once you're in, you'll see a clean ChatGPT-like interface. Simple, intuitive, and powerful. Let's create something. In the prompt box, type exactly what you want. Example, a dog walking on road. Hit enter. Watch how fast and accurately Quen generates the image. No waiting queue, no credit deduction. Now for the magic. Click your image, then hit animate or convert to video. Quen automatically adds realistic motion, camera movement, and even ambient sound design. The motion is smooth, no weird distortions, and it keeps the original resolution. Want to save it? Just click download. The video saves directly to your device. No watermark, no quality loss. And don't skip the community tab. Browse prompts from power users, copy what works, and level up faster. If this helped you, smash that like button and comment Quen Ready below. I love seeing where our community is watching from. My goal is simple: share real, working AI tools. No fluff, no fake guru advice. Want me to show you how to automate content creation with Quen in the next video? Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. I've dropped a direct link to Quen 3.6 plus my ready-to-use prompt list in the description. Thanks for watching.